Hi, welcome back. I'm Putri. Today, I will be sharing with you my thoughts and knowledge on how I define a premature death. I have questions for you. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your loved ones if you were to die tomorrow? They will be shocked and grief, and they will have to accept, and eventually they have to move on. So, on the moving on part, how sure are you have prepared the best for your loved ones to move on? Before that, let me run through with 4 areas under financial planning. The first one is wealth creation, where you create your money, which is your source of income. Number 2 is wealth accumulation, where you accumulate and save or invest. And the third one is wealth distribution, which is your estate planning. And lastly is wealth protection, in which I portray it as umbrella to protect the interests of wealth creation, wealth accumulation, and wealth distribution. Wealth protection is actually insurance or takaful, in which eventually the objective is to protect your loved ones. Okay, let's continue. There are few possibilities and reality that a lot of people are not aware of on what's going to happen to their loved ones after they pass away. Beneficiaries will have to settle deceased debts or credits before getting the access into their estates. Number 2, it takes time and money to liquidate asset. Number 3, if you are a Muslim, you will have to go through faraid system to distribute your wealth or estate. And again, it takes time to process it. Do you know, even if you are working, earning plenty of money and invested saving your income, without a proper planning on your wealth protection and wealth distribution, you are considered as dying too soon if you were to die tomorrow. Time waits for no man, especially your loved ones, in order to survive. So, as your takaful or insurance advisor, one of the ways that I would advise is to plan your wealth protection properly. What do I mean by wealth protection? It means to plan properly your takaful or insurance. How, you ask? Get a proper advice from the trusted agent, like myself. Let's have coffee one of these days.